This is a repair tip on a Chevy Impala, and this repair applies to very much most of the Chevys and General Motors. So this is Chevy Impala. Okay, so the problem with this vehicle is it came here with the already replaced power steering pump. They have one. I saw this in the trunk, so it looks like they replaced it with a used one first, and then they have a new one installed. Here is the other one. So there's two power steering pump used, but still there was whining noise all the time. Most of the time, the problem is it's right here. If you notice this hose here, I replaced the clamp with this kind of clamp, so I could control the tension on it as much as I can. It has a different clamp before. So this is the clamp it has before. These kind of clamp over time they lose tension, and they keep sucking air with it. As soon as the car starts in the morning, especially, it sucks air on the return line. This is the return line, and this is the high pressure line. So you have to make sure, and the problem is with those Chevys, this return line, it goes all the way to the front of the car. I'm not sure if I could show it to you from here, but it's on the subframe here. Somewhere here, it goes all the way there. It turns back, it goes back in to the rack and pinion. So this is a long way for this, and this is going to trap a lot of air. Anyway, so you need to trace this. There is another hose at the bottom of here. You can see it through. I'm not sure if it's gonna show through the tire. Here, yeah, here is the line. Here is the power steering line, and you could see there is a hose right there. The clamps on it. Okay. There are hoses back there. I already added extra clamps on those to make sure there is no air gets in there. But the problem that fixed this car is this hose is this clamp right here. I changed this clamp. I'm gonna give you another tip how to bleed this system. I use the vacuum pump, but if you don't have a vacuum pump, you still can do it. I'm gonna put this one back here. Make sure you keep this open. Take the cap off. Fill it with the power steering fluid to the appropriate level. Raise the vehicle. Keep those two front wheels above the ground. And then keep turning while the car is off. Keep turning the steering wheel left and right slowly, and you're gonna see bubbles coming out of here. And make sure this stays open through this whole process. So keep turning left and right until as much as air coming out of this. In my case, I did use a vacuum pump to get as much as air as I can. After you start the car, once you're done with the car is off the ground, bring it back down. Start the engine and turn the wheel left and right a couple times, lock to lock. Don't hold it too much on the lock until all the and keep the cap open all this time. And I would suggest to keep it open for half hour at least while you're doing this, and keep the car running until all the air comes out. And that should get all the air out. and this is what fixed. I mean, those two power steering pump did not fix the issue. Even the new one did not fix the issue until that hose was that clamp was placed there. So let me start the car and show you how it sounds after this job done. Could hear it. Nothing. Smooth. Used to have a lot of whining, nasty noise. Could hear it now. There's nothing. You hear nothing. Okay. So this is very much how you bleed the system, and this is very much where the issue was in this car. I hope this tip can help you if you have a whining issue on the power steering pump. Thank you for watching.